Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Media Graphics Beauty. Today's look is going to be an angelic halo look, so stay tuned for that. And we're going to go ahead and start our tutorial by washing our hair with our resale products, which were sent to me to try and I'm literally obsessed with. So I'll be leaving everything linked down below so you guys can check them out and literally see what I'm talking about. But let's go ahead and move on to Global Beauty. They sent me this beautiful headband to put on, but it didn't fit, so I finished up just putting it on the side. They also sent a facial cleansing cream, which I finished up using with my rose petal facial massager, and it left my skin super smooth. After cleansing my face with the facial cleanser and the massager, I went ahead and applied a sheet mask from the same collection. So I went ahead and left my mask on for around 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes I took it off. My face was still wet, so I just let my skin absorb everything that was left and just kind of massaged it in. And after that we were all set and ready for our makeup look. Okay guys, so the hair corset company sent me this beautiful clip to show you guys how to do some easy styles. Now, I'm not big on hairstyling or doing any special design, so here's the two easiest ones that I know. Now, I did decide to stay with the bun just because it was looking cute and it was going with the look. Wanted to give a shout out to Lexi&Co for sending me these two beautiful pieces from their collection. They sent me an adjustable golden ring with a little diamond on top, and they also sent a matching necklace, which I wear all the time, so you guys are going to be seeing it post to post if you guys follow me on Instagram. But lately I've been obsessed. Now let's go ahead and proceed to our makeup look. Okay guys, I want to give a huge thank you to NYX for sending me their Shout and Loud collection to try out. I'm literally obsessed with these two colors, but for this look I went ahead and used our nude lipstick. Well guys, this completes our look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. Remember that everything I used for the video is going to be attached to the description box. And I'll go ahead and see you guys on our next video. Bye!